Assalamu alaikum, my dear spectators. Today in this video we will discuss how to attempt the paper, and in response to a question, what's the important things that we must answer according to it. So this is the paper of biology of class 12. Now we discuss the paper. That's the paper. Now here, this is the front page of our answer sheet. First of all, we must write the question number 2, and then we write below the short questions, and then we start our answers. First of all, we must attempt the question which we learn the most. And as you see in this question, we write the answer. The most important thing in write the answer that the examiners which are checking the paper receive 45 to 50 rupees per paper. So it's a quite difficult task for them to read thoroughly the complete answer. Therefore, we must underline the important words which we also call keywords in the question. The benefit is that if we underline the keywords, we escape from the examiner. In this way, we can prevent our mistakes from the examiner to point out. Now you see, in this way we must attempt the paper. Here in the subject of biology it's very important for us to make the diagrams. Diagrams are the strength of biology. The students who make the most authentic and the most beautiful diagrams is successful in this subject. As you know, we made diagrams according to the question, and we also underline the important words, and that's the remaining part of this question. And this is our question number 4. In this way, in this question, the examiner asked about lithotripsy, and we underline the main words of this question. Now we move forward. In this way, here the examiner asked about predation. Here the examiners asked about only the significance of predation, but for the sake to get full marks in the subject in the test, we must also write its definition and example. And then the question number 6, define ecosystem. Students, remember this thing, that the question in which the examiner asked only definition, it is not adequate to write only the definition. We must write an extra thing with it, otherwise we cannot get full marks in the subject. And that's the difference. When we write the difference between two things in biology, physics, chemistry, then we must write in this way. We must draw a line in the middle of the paper, and then write the questions on either side of the line according to the question. And as I say, only definition is not enough. We must also write an extra thing besides it, and that is our example. So now we move forward. That's the niche. That's a short question, and we write it in a good manner, and the examiners give us the full marks. Now we move forward to our long questions. Our first long question is define succession. This is the long question of chapter number 25 of class 12, and you are seeing that how to write this long question to get full marks. First of all, we write the definition, then its types, then we explain its types, and then the stages of zero cell, and then you see we have written foliage lichen stage, moss stage, its examples, herbaceous plants, shrubs, climax forests, etc. This is a quite good thing. And here the most important thing, my diagram of this question is quite funny. But you are saying, I hope your diagram would be well. You must make diagram better than this, but you must make diagram, because without diagram in the biology question, the examiners would never award full marks to you in any of the question. Now you see, this is the excretion in earthworm. First of all, if you see in the book, the topic is consists of only a few lines, but in order to get full marks in the long question, we must write something extra in it. That's, first of all, we headed the phylum, and then we write the phylum of earthworm. Then we tell the tubular excretory system, which is the Metanephridia, and then we write other things: nephrostome, its functions, its process, nephridiopole, and then at the last we must make this diagram. This diagram will award you full marks in the subject of biology. Diagram will award you full marks in this subject, and in this way you can get full marks in this subject. You are again seeing the paper. In this way you must solve your paper of biology, and this is our topic. This is our test of chapter number 15 plus chapter number 25 of class 12. Thank you, dears. I hope you understand well. Any query, any problem, any suggestion that you would like to give us must be commented in our comments box. Thank you, all of you. Thanks a lot for watching this video.